First, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray crisis that it is said that a Nairobi-based BBC journalist has resigned to join the armed struggle in Tigray. In an internal memo, BBC informed its workers that Desta Gebremedhin had left the station with immediate effect. We advise that Desta should not be contacted or used in any BBC programs. It was Gebremedhin's wife, Vane Abraha, indicated that she was proud of him because he had not been at peace since the breakout of the war. Yours Abraha stated that the journalist's final decisions was made when he went to Sudan to cover the Tigrayan refugees. Well, the war in Tigray has gone on for the last 6 months, having begun in mid-November 2020. Tigray is Ethiopia's northernmost region. Bordering Eritrea, it is home to most of the country's estimated 7 million ethnic Tigrayans. In November, Ethiopia's Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed launched a military operation in the northern region of Tigray. According to media reports, the leader had resisted Abiy's drive to centralize power in the federal government. It was US President Joe Biden in a call with President Uhuru Kenyatta on Thursday, February 25, discussed the deteriorating humanitarian and human rights crisis in Ethiopia's Tigray region and the need to prevent further loss of life and ensure humanitarian access. Biden, in the first formal telephone call with President Uhuru Kenyatta since he took charge, asked Kenya to use its position as chair of the African Union Peace and Security Council to help end conflicts in Ethiopia and Sudan. With the large-scale human rights abuses taking place in Tigray, including widespread sexual violence, are unacceptable and must end, he said. So far, thousands of people have reportedly been killed and hundreds of thousands forced from their homes in the Tigray region. And war still going on in many areas of Tigray region. So, this is the latest update about Ethiopia and Tigray crisis. Thanks for watching.